Meet the Robotin R2, the world's first ever robot that doesn't just vacuum, it washes and dries your carpets too. If you've ever wished for spotless carpets without lifting a finger, this futuristic home cleaner is about to make that dream come true. This isn't your average robot vacuum. The Robotin R2 combines 115 AW of strong suction power with a 3-stage carpet washing system, meaning it vacuums, washes, and dries your carpets all on its own. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt, pet hair, and allergens once and for all. Let's break down what makes the Robotin R2 a total game changer for smart homes. 1. Auto Carpet Washing System. This 3-stage process deep cleans your carpet fibers, scrubbing, rinsing, and drying with precision, leaving your floors fresh and spotless. 2. 115 AW Strong Vacuum Power. The R2 packs impressive suction strength that rivals traditional vacuums, effortlessly pulling up embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair. 3. Perfect for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Thanks to its advanced filtration and washing system, the R2 removes allergens and fine dust particles, helping you breathe easier and live healthier. 4. Smart Navigation and Obstacle Detection. Equipped with intelligent sensors and mapping, it navigates every corner of your home, avoiding obstacles, furniture, and even rugs with ease. 5. Auto Drying System. No soggy carpets here. The R2's drying technology ensures your carpets are left perfectly dry and ready to walk on minutes after cleaning. Watch as the Robotin R2 transitions smoothly from dry vacuuming to full-on carpet washing mode, all automatically. Whether it's spilled juice, muddy footprints, or daily dust, this robot handles it all while you relax. Controlling the R2 is effortless. Use the Robotin mobile app to schedule cleanings, choose specific rooms, or monitor cleaning progress in real time. It even returns to its base automatically to recharge and gets back to work without you lifting a finger. The Robotin R2 isn't just a cleaning robot, it's a revolution in home hygiene. For pet owners, allergy sufferers, and busy families, it's the perfect all-in-one solution to keep your home spotless every single day. So, what are you waiting for? Step into the future of home cleaning with the Robotin R2, the world's first robot carpet wash, dry, and vacuum system. Check the link in the description to learn more and see it in action today.